Yeah.
All right, good morning, everybody. This is day 4. We are just left camp. We're gonna run up to this little store here in Union Creek, grab a couple things. It's like a mile off the trail. All right, there is that Union Creek store we're trying to get to. We are tuckered out already. There's Jenny.
Store opens at 9 o'clock, so don't get here too early.
Okay, we're back on the trail. That little adventure we took to the store ended up being like 5 miles. Took us like 2.5 hours. So we're getting a little later start, but went to the store, got a couple things, a couple t-shirts, all that cool stuff. And so anyway, hopefully we don't have to hike so far today. We'll see. But this is like, we're still kind of going through the edge of the park. River is down there. We're getting pretty close to the natural bridge that's coming up here next. So see if we can video that when we get there. But trail's pretty sweet this morning. Okay. All right, so we're at the natural bridge. Supposed to be a campground here somewhere. I'm not sure where it's at, but this is that little visiting area. This is what the natural bridge is. I'm guessing, yeah, we're right here in this parking lot. Go down this trail, then the footbridge, and you go back across to get up to this natural bridge. It's basically kind of like a little lava tube.
This is going the opposite direction.
Little map.
Yeah.
River. Okay, here we go. It was how was the natural bridge formed? Okay, so that is that. This is a trail that goes to the natural bridge. And there's that footbridge they're talking about. Oh, excuse me, sorry. Right ahead is this little footbridge. And we go up there and you can see the natural bridge. So then right there is the upper Rogue River Trail where it continues on down. But we're just gonna go up here and look at this bridge. Right, it's actually right there. So let's check it out. Jenny. Okay, so right there is where the water comes out of the lava tube, goes in up a little bit farther. Let's go look real quick. See if we got some better advantage points up here. Okay, here we go. I can see it. Goes in up there. It's got water like going in up there. And then it comes out right down there. Comes out right down there. It's like this little air hole spraying up water over there. Got some crazy rapids up here. Crazy. A couple of my buddies would probably be going crazy right now. Like, get your raft, air it up, let's do this. Yeah, I don't think he'd make it. He'd be dead by the time he got to the bottom. Like over there, like a giant like cliff jumping rock. Not going there. I think that trails goes out to that point. Check it out. We're following the river. It's pretty wild down there. Okay, we made it to Woodruff Bridge, Dave's area. That's the bridge. And we're having some lunch right now. There's Jenny. I'm just gonna eat another Mountain House meal real quick. Get on down the trail. There's a bridge. There's like a few people down here already. Road access is right up that way. Trail continues on down that way. Yeah, really.
You missed the duck though.
Yeah, there's a duck over there. Bank's falling away. There it is, way down there. Okay, we gotta look at the map because little Jenny wants to know where in the heck we're at. Obviously lost. Yeah, we're just got about 4 miles to cover. She wants to see where we're at. She looks tuckered out. She might not make it.
Just want to make it to camp.
Not me.
I'm hot and sweaty.
I'm ready to like throw her backpack on so she'll maybe go a little faster.
Toby? I have sticks, I can reach you.
Oh, wow. Big old gorge. Yeah, I don't know what that means, but if you look over there, there's a little cross. I think it says Braden Biggs. So I'm not sure what that is, but anyway. I already zoomed in. Let's go look at it a little bit more up here. Well, I don't know. I don't even know how you would get that placard on the side of that cliff in the first place.
We had to do some rock climbing.
You'd have to chain yourself off and rappel down and attach it to that cliff, I guess. Pretty good sized gorge. So the sign says it's Takilma Gorge. There's a little sign right over here. Big old channel there. Pretty rough stuff. Yeah, can't see down there. I'm not going to the edge. Heck no.
Yeah.
I'm not going over there. One slip and you're just hamburger. Looks like the bottom section of the gorge right there. Record that. Just found a kayak in the river right there. Keep an eye out in case someone didn't make it.
Maybe we should jump down there, go take the water out, and float down the river.
Yeah, I don't think we'd make it. We are roughing it. Trying to hurry up and get to camp, or we want to set up camp. With that area back there, or that whatever that is, Takilma Gorge, was just so rocky. It's like all rock. Like every other step, you were stepping up or over or down or around or something. Just hard to walk. But this is like pretty flat ground right now. Finally got out of that mess. It was a lot better. And we're hiking along the river right now. Things have settled down since that gorge area. I actually got a nice calm river again. And there's Jenny. I guess that's what it's called, something like that. And so we've hiked a 10-mile day, a little bit shorter, normal. Got to camp, and we hiked an additional 5 miles to the store this morning before we did our 10-mile trek to this campground. So I thought it was like a mile to that store this morning, but you know, I'm just like a retard looking at a map. I don't know how to read maps and stuff. So I was thinking, okay, so it's a mile to the store and back, or to the store, a mile back. So this is what I'm thinking. It ended up being like 5-mile round trip to the store this morning, but anyway, it's basically like a 15-mile of walking today. So yeah, well, yeah, Jenny's tired. I'm not tired. I feel good. She's always tired. Yeah, she needs a bath. There she is.
No.
Yeah, so anyway, this is the Rogue River Bridge Trail Camp. I know you couldn't think of a different name, but hey, that's what they call it.
Well, it was closed 4 days ago.
Yeah, when we drove by, you know, a few days ago, it was closed. So anyway, that's our hunk of garbage over there. We're packing in our packs, and then probably put our tent right there, and you know, and then river's out here, and see if we can't check out this awesome Rogue River Bridge, whatever the heck this thing's called. It's out that way. There it is out there. That's the river, obviously. I don't know if you figured that out or not. So we're gonna set up camp, get some dinner, and we got another fun-filled day for tomorrow.